In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Outlook 0x80042112 receiving reported error. If you've ever encountered error 0x80042112 while using Microsoft Outlook, you know how frustrating it can be. This issue usually means that Outlook is unable to receive emails because it's having trouble connecting to the mail server. But don't worry, we're here to help you resolve it. Common culprits for this problem include incorrect email settings, interference from your antivirus software, a damaged Outlook profile, network issues, or even corrupt PST or OST files. Let's dive into the best fixes for this problem. First, we'll start by checking your account settings. Begin by opening Outlook. Once you've done that, navigate to the File tab in the upper left corner, then select Account Settings from the menu. You'll see Account Settings again in the dropdown. Click on it. This will open a window displaying all your email accounts linked to Outlook. Select the account that's causing trouble and then click Change. Here, you'll need to verify the details for your IMAP or POP server, the SMTP server, the ports that are being used, as well as the SSL or TLS settings. Don't forget to double-check your username and password as well. Incorrect email settings are often a major cause of receiving errors, so pay close attention to these details to ensure everything matches with your provider's recommended settings. Next, let's make sure no add-ins are interfering with the process of receiving mail. Sometimes certain add-ins can cause conflicts or prevent Outlook from operating as it should. To test if add-ins are part of the problem, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This will bring up the Run dialog box. In the dialog box, type in outlook.exe /safe without the quotes and hit Enter. This command will start Outlook in safe mode, which disables all installed add-ins. Now try to send and receive emails again. If everything works perfectly, then it's likely that one of your add-ins is causing the issue. You'll want to revisit Outlook and go to the File tab again. From there, choose Options, then click on the Add-in section. Look for any add-ins that might be causing trouble and disable them selectively to see if the problem is resolved. These steps should help you get to the bottom of why you're receiving the 0x80042112 error in Outlook. By following this guide, you can pinpoint and resolve common issues that might be interfering with your email experience. If problems persist, it might be worth considering network troubleshooting or even repairing Outlook. Keep your email settings, antivirus configurations, and network conditions in check to prevent future disruptions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you restore your email functionality seamlessly.